Customer's getting a 50 amp generator outlet installed. We're gonna have the interlock kit and get this thing working. I'll show you updates as we go along. This customer here wanted an outlet for their house, so we've got the interlock installed. You can only turn the gen breaker on when the main is off. We've got a green light indicator here. When the generator is powering, you will see a light right here. If I was able to turn this on, which would be illegal, you would see the green light. I did verify that before I put the interlock on. But we're gonna be ready for testing. So, you know, customer brings their generator, puts it wherever they're supposed to have it. You wanna keep it away. This doesn't have any soffits, so we're good. Start the generator up, you know, connect the cord. Generator's running, shut power off, turn gen on. You also do want to turn off some of the major loads before doing that, more like your AC, your water heater, your oven. Although you probably won't be using that right away, you still don't want to hit the generator with a full load right away. So before you start the generator, come in here to the panel, make sure you have one of your ACs off. You have this one, which correlates to this. We have that off. Then you have the second AC right here. We have that on. Only keep one on at a time to prevent overloading the system. Go ahead. All right, so if they want to turn the other AC on, what are you gonna do? Shut that one off. Wait, that is off, so that's the one we want on. So shut this one off, yep, and then go ahead. There you go. Now we have another 5-minute wait for the AC to kick on, but let's just make sure that it works.
Okay.
All right, so we've got a customer. If you lose power, this is what you gotta do. So first thing, you're gonna take your generator and position it wherever you're supposed to have it. Make sure the exhaust is pointing away from the house, all right? Connect your fuel. Prime your fuel system for about 5 seconds. You should smell propane, all right? Connect your electrical. Have the breaker off on the generator. Go ahead and start the generator. Once the generator is running, come over here, shut the main off, turn the generator breaker on. I recommend the next step to go and turn off any of the large loads. So shut off the big AC if you have 2. Once you have the AC compressor circuit breaker turned off, come out here and turn the circuit breaker on. When you turn that circuit breaker on, you will be powering your house. As you can see, we've got the green light and we're powering everything inside. So, as you can see, we've got lights on. We tested everything and walked through the house. We've got the refrigerator on. She's got her dryer and washing machine on. So everything is good. And that's it. And then if they want to switch ACs, they're going to come into their main, where their panel is, and they're going to shut off. They're going to shut off the AC that's currently running. As you can see right here, AC West, the breaker's on. So let's say they don't want to use that one. They're going to shut that off. And then they've got the AC here, which is off right now. They'll turn that on, give it a 5-minute delay for it to kick on. If you're listening to the generator, when the AC kicks on, you should kind of hear it go like, and then it'll even back out with the sound. And that's it. Now we're going to do the walkthrough for when they gain power back to the house. What are the steps? So when you get power back onto the house, very simple. What I want to do is shut the breaker off at the generator. So the first step, when you know you have power back, shut the breaker off. Second step, unplug. Third step is over here. We can undo it here. Fourth step, breaker off. Fifth step, main breaker on. Now you have power back to the house, and that's it.
So when you turn the generator on, these guys go over here. And how do I get these out?
So, well, go ahead. So let's just try it.